Hello everyone, my name is Shwangi Natani from Fashion Design 5th semester from Aaj Academy of Design. I will talk to you about my Indian wear process in which I took the inspiration of Lak, the traditional craft of Jaipur. Lak, which has came from the Mahabharata period, is now coming up with more and more beautification. This is my concept board. My concept is to show the beauty of the Lak, that how it had been used before and now. And when the gemstones came into existence, it hid the beauty of the Lak and it came on the plastic material which hid the beauty of the Lak and destroyed it. Now day by day it is coming up with the more and more attractive ornaments and destroying that beauty of the Lak which was before is the base. So day by day the Lak has been Lak beauty is destroying, and my concept is to show that beauty of the Lak. I will move on my color palette. I took the color palette as my traditional colors only because the Lak is the traditional and the traditional symbol for the married woman, and my color palette is red, golden and green colors. Here is my texture board in which I have developed the textures which is applied on the Lak and which can develop and with these textures we can develop the Lak bangles also. Here is my photo shoots and the photography and styling for which I have created the mood of party, because during this process my mood was party wear, so I have created a party mood here and shooted my garments. And in my garments I have taken the molding technique of the craft, which when we just leave the Lak under the sikri or some kind of gas, the Lak can be molded in any manner. So this is my one garment in which I have used the cowl form, which is showing the fall and which is showing the mold of the Lak, and I have used the work which is done on the Lak. The basic motive of this work is the scary and the embroidery. And move on to this garment. I have taken here I have done this embroidery which is done on which I just got the inspired when I was doing the market survey. When I just went for the Lak survey, I just saw on the bangles all these kind of motifs are done on the bangles, so I just converted that into the embroidery form and given the border on there. And here I have taken these booties which is again on the Lak bangle. It is a kind of patch on the Lak bangle, and I am choosing these traditional colors only for this. So here you see all my design process. Thank you.